Good morning. In the previous PPT, we discussed about what is polyurethane, the synthesis, and how it was manufactured. In this PPT, we discussed about the a detailed description on the manufacture of the polyurethane. As polyurethane is made from the reaction between the isocyanate and polymer. This section is divided into three parts. First is production of isocyanates, production of polyols, production of polyurethane. First, we will see the production of isocyanates. Although many aromatic and aliphatic polyisocyanates are exist, two are the particular industrial importance. Each of them have variants, and together they form from the basics of about 90% of polyurethane. They are TDI, which is toluene diisocyanate and methyl benzene dioisocyanate. Next is MDI, it is methylene diphenyl dioisocyanate or diophenyl methylene dioisocyanate. TDI was developed first, but now was used mainly in the production of low density flexible foams for cushions. The mixture of dioisocyanate known as TDI consists of two isomers. The starting materials methyl benzene toluene. When it reacts with the mixed acid, two isomers of nitromethyl benzene are main products. In this mixture, if the mixture is nitrated further, a mixture of dinitromethyl benzene is produced. In industry, they are known by their travel names such as 2,4-dinitrotoluene and 2,6-nitrotoluene. Uh, the mixture of dinitrobases is then reduced to the corresponding amines. In turn, amines known commonly as toluene diamines or TDA are heated with carbon and chloride to produce the diisocyanates, and the process can be carried out in the liquid phases with the chlorobenzene as a solvent as about 350 Kelvin. MDI is more complex and permits the polyurethane manufacture product versatility. The mixture of diisocyanates is generally used to make rigid foams. The starting material are polyphenylamine and methanol, which is reacted together to form a mixture of amines known as MDA. This mixture reacts with carbon and chloride to produce MDA in a similar way to the manufacture of TDA. MDA contains the following diisocyanates. Next, we will see the production of polyols. The polyols used are either hydroxyl terminated polyethers in about 90% of all polyurethane or hydroxyl terminated polyesters. The choice of polyol, especially the number of reactive hydroxyls or polymer molecule, and the size and flexibility of the molecule structure, ultimately control the degree of cross-linking between the molecules. They have an important effect on the mechanical properties of polymer. An example of the polyol with the two hydroxyl groups is one made from the epoxy propane by interaction with the propane onto diol. An example of the polyol which contains three hydroxyl groups is produced from the propane onto the triol and epoxy propane. Soybean figure shows the schematic representation of the MDI polymer. Soybean oil contains triglycerines of long chain saturated and unsaturated carboxylates, which after hydration can on reaction with the epoxy propane from mixture of polyols suitable for the manufacture of wide range of polyurethanes. The use of these variables mean that at least part of the polymer is derived from the renewable sources. Next, production of polyurethane. A much used polyurethane is made from TDI and a polyol derived from the epoxy propane. If the polyol has more than two reactive hydroxyl groups, adjacent long chain molecules become linked at the intermediate coordinates. This cross-link creates a stiffer polymer structure with improved mechanical characteristics, which is exploited in different types of rigid polyurethanes. Thus, a diazotonium such as MDA, TDA, which reacts with polyol with three hydrogen groups, such as one derived from the propane, 1,2,3-triol, and epoxy ethane, undergoes cross-link and forms a rigid thermosetting polymer. Thank you.